guys, and welcome back to another video in a different card. The last videos that I upload, I had to fix wipers in the Fiat Bravo, which is a project that is running on the channel, and in the Audi A3 because the wipers were not working. Also the Audi A3 1.6 8L. The Audi is another project that is running on the channel. There is a lot of videos of it, but this time I need to fix a problem on my daily car, which is this Alfa 159. The reason that I'm making this video, it's because my cover just came out and I have no idea what it is. And before I start to show you how to remove the old ones and install the new ones, I just apologize by being with the sunglasses, but I wake up with something on my right eye and I cannot get many sun, you know. So I decided to buy these LED ones. I bought this on AliExpress. This is dynamic LEDs. So what I'm gonna do is to show how to replace if you need, and guys, to see if I like it, because I have no idea. I thought at the beginning to buy the original ones, but just give a try to these ones. Let's go, guys. And guys, in the future I will have to remove these stickers. I will remove it, but I don't want to remove right now. And guys, to remove the old ones, usually you just need to make this movement and this will come out, okay? But since this is LED and this is not, it's halogen, I need to remove all of this. Should come out like this. Then I can remove the bubbles. Oh, this is wet. To install the new one, it's pretty easy, but don't forget this is polarized. So this is LED, and you need to connect the positive on the positive and the negative in the negative. Wait, let's see, let's test. And yeah, guys, I was trying to install, and you can see the spring, it's a kind of different. It is really strong and hard to install, to be honest. But guys, I will try to install this one and let's see. You can see here a bit different, okay? This is the first time that I'm using these sequential LEDs, and I have no idea if they are good or not. If they are not good, I will just buy the original ones and just reinstall back. For now, it seems to be pretty decent. This side, of course, it's already working. Now what I'm gonna do is to install on the other side. Guys, this one seems to be okay. It's not that easy when to plug it back, but with a bit of patience you can install it back. And as I said, what I'm gonna do right now is to install on the other side. And guys, once again, thanks for watching, and as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.